Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 2nd January 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you have to live with one another with a lot of spiritual love. Never allow any conflict of opinion to come. Question. What should each of you Brahman children ask your own heart? Answer. Ask your heart. 1. Am I seated in God's heart? 2. To what extent have I imbibed divine virtues? 3. Do I create any obstacles in God's service? 4. Do I constantly live with others like milk and sugar? Do I remain in unity with everyone? 5. Do I always follow Srimad? Song is: No one is unique like the innocent Lord. Essence for Dharana. First is: in order to climb into Bap Dada's heart, serve with your thoughts, words and actions. Become an accurate all-rounder. Second is: become so soul-conscious that you don't remember any of your old relations. Live together with a lot of spiritual love and not like salt water. Blessing for today. May you be great and humble, and give your finger of cooperation for the elevated task of world transformation. Details are: when you cook something, you have to put all of its ingredients into it. Even if it lacks something like salt or sugar, something that would be delicious would not be worth eating. In the same way, for this elevated task of world transformation, each and every jewel is needed, everyone's finger of cooperation is needed. Everyone in their own way is absolutely an elevated Maharthi and is needed. This is why you have to understand the value of your nobility. All of you are great souls. However, to the extent that you are great, you also have to be just as humble. Slogan is: make your nature easy and all tasks will become easy. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. In this Avyakt month, stay free from bondage and experience the stage of liberation in life. While living in these delicate times, the situations, problems and atmosphere are doubly polluted. Therefore, remain free from their influence. Stay free from any bondage of all these various things for as long as you live. Let there not be a single subtle bondage. Every Brahman child has to become free from bondage and liberated in life at the confluence age. It is only at the confluence age that you experience the reward of the stage of liberation in life.